ng walnuts. Meron tayong walnuts na nilagay. Yan. So, yan. Natin for today, yung salad. Pumpkin salad with walnuts. Thanks for watching. So, natin siya. Ilagay sa plate. So, this for today. Thanks for watching. So, yan na sa guys. Walnuts. Thanks always for watching.